Oh.
Hi, I'm Miranda. I'm here with Wild Destinations, and this has been the best trip I've ever been on in my whole life. My family have gone so many different places and seen so many things, and today we saw a family of cheetahs walking, and we saw so many incredible things. I can't even think about them right now. And this morning, everyone's watching. This morning, we I woke up this morning and I saw a monkey sitting next to my tent, where I was staying, and it was so incredible. And I'll never have another experience like this in my whole life. It's the most beautiful thing, and I'm so happy to be here with my family, and just this whole experience has been incredible. I know I've repeated myself so many times, but I can't say it enough because it's been the best time I've ever had in my whole life. And being here with Wild Destinations is just it's so fulfilling, and it's so the feeling that I get being here is unlike anything else. It's unreal, and I'm just so happy. Thank you so much, Wild Destinations.